So for my PBL problem, I will be solving for day 53, number 1. For part 1a, the question is asking to find A, B, C, and the eccentricity. The eclipse given to us is 25x squared plus 9y squared equals to 3600. So to start solving for this problem, I'm going to divide 3600 by 25x squared and 9y squared. So from that, we get x squared over 144 plus y squared over 400 equals 1. Then we are able to square root 144 and 400 to equal 12 and 20. Therefore, 20 is A and B is 12 since 20 is larger and this eclipse is horizontal. And now we're solving for C. So in order to do that, you would have to subtract 400 minus 144. That equals to 256. When you square root, that equals 16. So now that we know A, B, and C, we can solve for the eccentricity. The eccentricity is C over A, which means 16 over 20, which is 4 over 5. Now we can move over to part B. This question is asking us to find point P and the focus. So in order to find point P, we can just use parentheses P cos t, comma A sine t. From that, we can just fill it in, so the answer is 12 cos t, comma 20 sine t. So in order to find the focus, it's basically the same process that you found C. And the reason why we know C is in the y is because it's on the greater side. Now we can solve for part C. So what part C is asking us to do is to find a directrix. In order to find a directrix, we can use the equation y equals k minus a squared over c. So previously, we know that k is 0, so we could just factor that out altogether. So the new equation is y equals a squared over c. So after that, you would just have to fill it in. So we know a is 20, and we know that c is 16, so all we have to do is square root 20, which is 400. 400 divided by 16 equals to 25, so the directrix is 25.